Angel number 344. Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 344. The number 344 is made up of the qualities and energies of the numbers 3 and 4. The number 4 shows up twice, which makes its effects stronger. Number 3 is connected to self-expression and communication, optimism and enthusiasm, skills and talents, friendliness and sociability, manifesting, growth, expansion, and the principles of increase. The vibrations of the Ascended Masters are also in the number 3. Number 4 is about being useful and practical, working hard and being responsible, having traditional values, being honest and having integrity, having patience and inner wisdom, and working hard and being determined to reach goals. The energy of the archangels is also connected to the number 4, as are our drive, passion, and purpose. Angel number 344 is a message from your angels that the creativity and joy you put into your work and daily life has brought about positive energies that make things go smoothly for you. Your angels applaud your efforts and encourage you to continue on your current path. Know that the work you do is very important and that your hard work and determination have brought you many blessings. Angel number 344 wants you to recognize the dedication, patience, discipline, and hard work you've put into your projects in the past. It also wants you to know that those efforts will pay off in the long run for you and your loved ones. Take heart in the fact that your will and hard work have paid off, and your angels want you to keep up the good work you've been doing. Give your worries and concerns to the angels so they can heal and change them, and trust that everything will be okay. Make your relationship with yourself peaceful and loving. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.